Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs, welcome back po sa ating channel. Nako, meron pong mainit na balita. Itong ating dating DepEd Secretary, si Leonor Briones at saka iba pa, ay kinasuhan na ng draft charges ng Office of the Ombudsman, dahil sa 2.4 billion procurement ng overpriced na laptops para sa mga teachers. Ito ay during the COVID-19 pandemic. Sila ay nag-violate ng Anti-Graft and Corrupt Practices Act and Falsification. Ito ay konektado doon sa DepEd procurement ng mga outdated laptops noong 2021. Sumang-ayon ang Ombudsman sa conclusion na ginawa ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee na chaired ni Senator Francis Tolentino sa panahon na yon, na meron talagang irregularities ang DepEd procurement ng overpriced laptops. Sabi ng Senate Blue Ribbon Committee na itong si former DepEd Secretary Briones ay hindi lang basta na mislead, kundi siya pa ay nag-conspired kasama yung mga iba pa na ituloy ang procurement at yung pag-falsify ng execution date of the 2021 Memorandum of Agreement. Yun ang sabi sa key document. Ito ang mga personalidad na merong charges. Si Leonor M. Briones, Department of Education Secretary. Yung charges niya ay graft at saka falsification. Lloyd Christopher A. Lau, Procurement Service DBM or PSDBM, Executive Director. Yung kanyang charges ay graft, falsification at saka perjury. Annalyn Macam Sevilla, Department of Education, Undersecretary for Finance. Graft, falsification at perjury din yung kanyang charges. Ito pa, si Jason Mer Lagarto Wayan, Procurement Service DBM, Director 4, OIC Director 5, Graft, Falsification at saka Perjury. Alain Del Bustamante Pascoa, DepEd, Undersecretary for Administration, Graft. Salvador Cacatian Malana III, DepEd, Assistant Secretary, Graft at saka Falsification. Marcelo H. Bragado, DepEd, Director for Procurement, Graft at Falsification. Alex Serkena Ladanga, DepEd, Executive Assistant 4, Graft at Falsification. Abram Yapchay Abanel, DepEd, Director 4, ICT Services, Graft. Silwin Carelio Briones, DepEd, Administrative Officer, Graft din. Eto pa, Ulysses Evangelista Mura, PSDBM, Procurement Officer 4, Graft. Marwan O. Amel, Procurement Service DBM, Procurement Officer, Graft. Paul Armand Abando Estrada, PSDBM, Procurement Officer 5, Graft. At Froilan V. Domingo, Private Sector Joint Venture Representative, Graft. Ganito po ang nangyari, napag-alaman ng COA nung una na itong si DepEd ay bumili ng 39,000 na laptops sa halagang 58,300 pesos bawat isa through the DBM's Procurement Service or PSDBM, despite originally budgeting only 35,046 pesos per unit. So nang dahil dito ay 28,917 yung mga teachers na hindi nakatanggap ng laptop na originally ay dapat nakakatanggap sana sila kung hindi lang sana napamahal. The earlier report by the COA noted na yung identical Dell laptops with better specifications were available in the market, no? Meron po ito sa mga bilihan. Nagkakahalaga lang ng 22,490 to 25,000 pesos. Nako, mantakin ninyo. 25,000 pesos, naging 58,000 pesos. Sa ginawang investigasyon ng Ombudsman, napag-alaman na itong si Secretary Briones ay direktang involved sa multiple decisions na siyang naging dahilan ng overpriced procurement. Itong si former Deputy Secretary ang nag-aproba ng original procurement request noong December 11, 2020 for 68,500 laptops at 35,036.5 per unit. Pero without valid or sufficient justification requested DBM on February 11, 2021 na i-transfer ito sa PSDBM. Kahit yung DepEd ay pwedeng namang mag-conduct ng bidding noong pang January 2021. Napag-alaman din ng Ombudsman na gumawa siya ng maraming approvals despite na absence ng MOA, yung MOA. She approved the inflated unit price of 58,300 per laptop, approved the 2.4 billion payment to PSDBM on May 5, 2021, and endorsed the supplemental procurement plan covering the laptop project. Nako, direktang may kinalaman. Mukhang mukhang hindi walang alam, pero yung pala ay ganun kasi ang nangyari sa sino, parang wala siyang alam, pero yung pala napag-alaman na talagang direkta itong ating inang DepEd Secretary. Eto pa, lumagda pala itong ating dating DepEd Secretary Briones ng MOA noong May 28, 2021. That was later backdated to February 16, 2021 and approved the memorandum justifying the backdating to cover the earlier fund transfers. Hence, PSDBM had no authority to act as procurement agent or entity for DepEd at the time it commenced procurement activities pending the execution of the 2021 MOA. The resolution said. So, talagang merong falsification through backdated documents ang mga nangyari, Nako, itong backdating pala sa MOA ay nag-lead ng falsification charges against Briones at saka iba pang officials. So, mga ka-Jesnabs, delikado itong backdating, ha? Ito yung 2021 MOA Burst and Execution Date of February 16, 2021. But the Ombudsman investigating revealed it was signed and notarized on May 28, 2021. Nako. Ang tanong, nangyayari ba yan sa mga schools? Nako. May alam ka ba dyan na nangyayari ang mga ganyan? Nauuna ang delivery kaysa joke lang, baka may masaktan dyan, pero tanong lang naman yun. Nauuna yung delivery kaysa inspection. Wala na yung mga materials, kailangan ng i-liquidate saka na papapirmahan yung inspection sa inspectorate. Okay ba kayo dyan, mga ka-DepEd, ka-Jesnab? Sana. Okay, basta ganun lang po. pasaring lang yon. Mga ka-Jesnabs, hanggang dito na lang. Thank you for having me. Bye-bye.